Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video I want to give you my top 5 keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Outlook. I use these keyboard shortcuts every single day to improve my workflow and speed up my productivity in Outlook, and hopefully they can do the same for you. They're very simple, and once you start using them, you'll realize how did you work without them before. So of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and if you want to supercharge to raise your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's jump on the computer and learn these tips. So the first keyboard shortcut I want to teach you is how you can quickly start a new email. Instead of going over and pressing the new email button, you can simply press Control and N, and this is going to launch you into a new email so you can start typing away. Your cursor is already in the to sections, so you can put in the name of the person you want to send an email to. I'm going to use the tab key to drop down to the subject, test. I'm going to say, hello, it's me. And then my second tip is going to press Control and Enter to send this right away. So instead of scrolling over and pressing the send button, simply press Control and Enter. It's going to give you a notification saying, hey, this is a shortcut for sending. If you want to get rid of this notification, you can actually tick on this button of don't show this message again, and then you can hit yes, and then that email is going to be sent. And next time you press Control and Enter, you're going to automatically send that email. The next tips I want to show you are for quickly marking emails as read, unread, and of course move them into a different folder once you're done with them. The first one is selecting on an email and then simply pressing Control and Q, and that will mark it as read. If you want to undo this or mark an email as unread, you can press Control and U, and this will mark it as unread. What I like to do is actually, once I've done with an email, I press Control and Q to mark it as read, and then the last tip I give you is Control Shift and V, and this is to move it into a different folder. I have a folder called Read, which is where I basically store all of my emails that I no longer need but may need to recall later. And by simply pressing Control Shift and V, it brings up my move items. It's got the Read folder highlighted, and I simply press Enter, and that files it away into my Read section. And there you have it. Those are my top 5 keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Outlook to improve your productivity. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and of course, if you want to supercharge the ways your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.